Hello everyone, welcome back. In the last lesson we add some book related stuff like book domain model and services and book resources, and we haven't actually finished adding up the book resources. Okay, so let's continue working on those. So here we have the add book post method, and it's calling the book service. So we need to auto write up the book service. And let's just stop the service and restart it. Okay, so it's got started, and let's come back here and we need to track the network, the check session. So right now we need to re-log in. Add a book. So I'll just fill out some random information, okay? Test. ISBN. And description. Number in stock. And click on add. We need to monitor our transactions to see if everything goes well. Click on add. Please fill the date, okay. Let's choose a random date. See if that's true. So we had a post method goes to book add, and we have a, let's see, X of token as header, and we have a payload of the book information. And the response says that's the book's information, okay? And come back. We have a statement to insert the book. And if we go to our table and refresh a book table and take a look at the content, okay, we have the book added, and information is pretty much as what we have inputted. Okay, so that's good. And now we need to deal with image. Remember that the book has image, right? The cover. And we haven't really dealt with that yet. So we're gonna come back to our front end. We're gonna create a service, and we're gonna call it upload image service. Okay, once the service is created, let's go to app.module to bootstrap that. Service. And let's come to our upload image to service. So Angular 2 right now doesn't have a way to deal with the multi-part file, okay? So here I have a workaround to use the XHR request to deal with this. So might be a little bit extra work, but it's possible. Walk around. So let's see how that looks like. Define an upload mapper. We had a makefile request, and it goes to 8181. Files to upload, and then we have some result. Oh, this is a little long. I should break it. If there is error, we're gonna just print out the error. This is just make file request, okay? And we have a file change event. So this is the file change event detect. And this is the make file request mapper. As you can see, we are using promise, okay? Form data, any equals to new form data. XHR equals to new XML HTTP request. Uploads, files, name. And then we had xxr.onReady state change equals to function if ready state equals to 4, status equals to 200, image uploaded successful, else reject. Then we have the set request header x of token local storage dot get item x of token from data. Okay. So basically, here we have the major makefile request method, which accepts a URL, a bunch of parameters and files, and then we return a new promise using the XSRL. You don't have to understand those details, because in the future, there should be the third-party plugins that can directly send files. It's just it takes time to do that. I mean, those plugins takes time to develop. So we have the major, method here, and then we have the upload that calls this make file change, give the URL, and we don't have any parameter given, but we do have the files to be, uploaded. And then this file change event detects any change on the file we have attached, and then, put it to be within this variable. Okay, and then let's come to our add book service. So it should be add new book components. We need to import the add image or upload image service. Upload image.service. And here, if we have added the book successfully to our database, we can then call the upload service. Do a JSON pass. Oops. And the JSON stringify. Data dot underscore body dot ID. Okay. The reason we are doing this is because this should be result. If you take a look at the upload image service, it basically this upload accepts a book ID, which is a number. Okay, so this book ID won't be generated until the book has been successfully saved to the database. database automatically generated ID, right? And then because in the response, it has the JSON content for, let's see, where is it? Well, it's gone. But anyway, it has the JSON content of the book, and then we can retrieve the ID from that book and use it in this upload image service. Okay, and basically we're gonna leverage that book ID and use it as the image name, so that each time we add a book, the name is related to the image name. Okay, let's see what the error is. Upload image service.ts line 6 equals expected. Looks like there's some grammar. Okay, yeah. This should be a semicolon and 41. Okay. I haven't closed this post yet. And let's see. So that looks good for the front end part. And then we need to take care of that at the back end. Okay. And that should be done in the next lesson. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next lesson. Bye.